Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a spooktacular day. My name is Robyn M with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 5 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. Hopefully you've been enjoying all of the wonderful projects that you've seen and you've been inspired, especially from my crafty goblins and ghoul friends, Rosa Kelly from Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking and Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. I have had so much fun reading your supportive comments, your feedback, and your great ideas that I certainly will take into the next 13 Days of Halloween series. For today's project, I created this adorable witch hat gift box. Last year, I created a few of these witch hat gift boxes, and they were really popular, so I decided to create another one this year. I created this box using a digital file by SVGCUTS from their Haunted Forest SVG kit. The paper collection that I used is by DCWV. It's called Curiosities, and as you can see, this paper collection is spooky, but I love the bright and vibrant colors. I had so much fun creating this witch hat. The main focal point of this hat is, of course, this beautiful black glittered cat. I have embellished it with these yellow rhinestone eyes, which I think really pop. I included this raffia bow. Now, this cat is from a pick that I purchased at Michael's in their Halloween section. In the center, we have this cute little witch, which is attached to a sentiment that says, "Have a wicked Halloween." This comes from the Anna Griffin Halloween sentiment. On the bottom, we have this beautiful silk flower, and I've embellished it with this beautiful rhinestone pearl. I have these fun orange and red berries. And one of my favorite things for Halloween is this black tulle with the gold glitter spiderweb on it. On the bottom, I have created this fun pedestal, and it is a spiderweb. To make the hat, I used this really fun paper, which have roses with a big eyeball in the center. And then I used a pattern green paper on the bottom. I lined the box with this gold rhinestone and black scalloped trim, and I cut out these fun black glittered spiders that are crawling up the hat, and their bodies have orange rhinestones. On the brim of the hat, I have this pretty swirl doily, which is in red, and I think it really pulls out the colors in the hat. When I remove the hat, we have this treat box inside, and you can fill that with candy or a gift or fun embellishments. I'm going to put embellishments and give this as a Happy Mail gift. This is the other side. Here's a really good view of those eyeballs. Aren't they spooky? Let me give you a closer look. This cat is so fun and sparkly. I just love all of the details in it. And here's a closer look at the little witch. This fun glittered tulle. And I also love these bright, vibrant colors for the flowers. Typically, I use darker colors for Halloween, but I think this is a really nice and refreshing change. This concludes my review of my witch hat. If you would like to learn how to make this, I have included a link to my original witch hat tutorial. It's really fun and easy to make. Hopefully I've inspired you with some new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Please be sure to join me tomorrow for day 6 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy Halloween.